In today's video, we're going to talk about what exactly is the future. My name is Josko Deletis and welcome to today's video. Well, the future doesn't really exist. It's only a field or a possibility. Now, what you want to know is how can I make the future that I want happen? How can I pick of all those possibilities that future that I want? Now, if you listen to some self-help or read some books, they'll tell you, oh, it's easy. You just visualize and hope for it and it'll happen. Have faith. Well, I'm a little more pragmatic than that. I believe in visualization, I believe in meditation, but I also believe in taking action. And I also believe in changing your emotional reactions to the present moment to benefit your behaviors, because eventually the behaviors that you have will affect the future possibilities. Now, we can affect this, possibility matrix in various ways. Like I mentioned, meditation is a great one. Visualization is probably one of the greatest ways to prepare this, this mechanism we call the human body to be in that space and that time for that possibility to happen. But most importantly is to take action. Make a plan, take action, and eventually that possibility will come to fruition. Now, there's things you can do during that process of taking action. Make sure that your thoughts are aligned to that possibilities, so that you're thinking constructively. Not only thinking about that thing happening, but thinking about it already has happened. And very important that that emotion is an emotion of love, of enthusiasm, of joy. Because if you have that emotion and you have that thought pattern, basically the thought pattern is kind of, you're picking with your thoughts that possibility, you're locating it in the field of the future, and with that emotion, positive emotion of passion or joy, bliss, you're basically attracting that possibility to come closer and closer to fruition. And finally, you need to take action. You need to do everything in your power for that to happen. And you have to be flexible. Flexibility is very important. I'm not just talking about make a plan and stick to it no matter what, because we don't want tunnel vision. We want to be focused, but we also want to be flexible enough that we can notice and become aware of other opportunities that can come our way that we can take advantage of. Nothing in life is linear. Linear is something they taught you in school. That doesn't work like that. In the quantum world, in the world that we live today, 1 plus 1 does not equal 2 anymore. We can make long leaps, quantum leaps in our successes. All we need to do is prepare ourselves through meditation and visualization. Plan our days. We need to execute, take action, and then surrender. Once we can do all that, then there's no stopping us. We can choose any future possibility for it to come into our reality. My name is Josko Deletis. Thank you for another video, and I'll see you in the future.